Can I install my own stair lift? I'm Matt Capelle from Bruno Independent Living Aids, and today we will discuss why a factory-trained technician is your best option.
Mr. Stairlift.
So your son-in-law is a mechanic, or your sister-in-law is an engineer. Can they install the stair lift for me? Can I save a few bucks? The answer is Bruno requires that our stair lifts are installed by factory-trained technicians. We have a big training program at the factory that trains those technicians in Oconomowoc, Wisconsin, and in fact, all of our factory technicians have to be recertified every 3 years. Think about what we're doing here. We're transporting our loved ones or ourselves up and down the staircase, and we want it to be as safe and smooth as possible. In addition, we want to keep our warranty fully intact, and to keep your warranty fully intact, your stair lift needs to be installed by a Bruno dealer. This will give you the safest and smoothest ride on the staircase and give you the best enjoyment for years to come.